Now let's start with the new topic, determinant. Now, so how to define the determinant? So, now the determinant is defined as the every square matrix can be associated to an expression or a number which is known as determinant. Now, we write a square matrix Aij n by n. Now, the determinant. Now, determinant is denoted by element A or the modulus of A. Now, the actual difference between the matrix and the determinant. Now, if we find out the way, if we want to find out the value, so we need to the determinant. We can't find out the value of the matrix. Now, this is the main basic difference between both of them. Determinant of a square matrix order 2. So now the matrix of order 2 is Aij 2 by 2, A11, A12, A21, A22. Now, if we want to find the determinant of the square matrix, so we write like in this form. So this rectangular arrangement written in this form. So A11, A12, A21, A22. Now the order of 3 Aij 3 by 3. The matrix of 3 by 3 is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now the determinant of A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now the not for this, only the square matrix have the determinant, only square matrix have determinants. The matrix which are not square do not have the determinants. So now how to expand the determinants. Now let's for understanding the expansion of the determinant, let's take the example of the 3 by 3 matrix. So now how to expand the determinant A. So if I take the matrix A whose order is 3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So expanding of the determinant. So first of all, this matrix is written in this form, in the determinant form. So for writing the determinant form, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So now we can expand the determinant with any row or any column. So first of all, understand about the sign. Now if I want to expand this determinant with respect to along this row, so always remember the sign like in this form, plus, minus, plus. Then if it is plus, then it is minus, it is plus. Now it is minus, so it is plus, it is minus. is plus, so it is minus or it is plus. Now if we expand the determinant along this row, so we can solve in the alternate sign by the plus minus plus. Now if we expand the determinant along this column, so plus minus plus. If we expand this determinant along this column, so minus plus minus. So now let's see how to expand. जब हमें कोई क्वेश्चंस काटना हो तो हम किस तरीके से काटते हैं, इस तरीके से. तो हमें ये साइन ध्यान रखना है कि हमें किस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई कराना है इस फॉर्म में. जो लेट्स सी इफ आई राइट लाइक इन दिस फॉर्म, जब हम ऐसे लिखते हैं a22 a23 a32 और a33. So first of all multiply this element to this and this element to this. So this it is like a cross multiplication like in this form. So for the expansion of the determinant a, now अब हम जब determinant का expansion फर्स्ट रो के हिसाब से कर रहे हैं, तो जैसे मैं लिखता हूँ a11, तो इस रो के हिसाब से कर रहा हूँ, तो ये फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है, तो इसके लिए पहले रो छोड़ो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को छोड़ के जो बचे हुए हैं एलिमेंट उसको डिटर्मिनेंट की फॉर्म में लिख लेते हैं. सो a22 a23 a32 a33. now the sign is used, now it's minus, then a12. अब इस रो का सेकंड एलिमेंट, तो अब हमें इसके अलोंग एक्सपांड करना है, तो लीव दिस रो एंड दिस कॉलम. सो द रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आर a21 a23 a31 and a33. then the sign is plus, so leave this row and this column. So a13 a21 a22 a31 a32. So now again how to solve. Now this element is multiply with this, then this element is multiply with this. So we now write like in this form, a11 into a22 is multiply with a33 minus a23 is multiply with a32 minus a12, then a21 is multiply with a33 and the a23 is multiply with a31. a21 into a33 minus a23 into a31, then plus a13. Now a21 is multiply with a32, then a22 is multiply with a31. So a21 into a32 minus a22 into a31. Now it's the expansion of the determinant. Now let's take the example. Evaluate the determinant. Evaluate the determinant d 2 3 minus 2 1 2 3 minus 2 1 minus 3 by expanding it along expanding it along first column. So by the definition, now the determinant is right 2 3 minus 2 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 2 1 minus 3. Now if we want to expand the along the column 1, so how to expand? Now along this column, so it's a plus minus or plus. So now तो 2 फॉर अब हमें फर्स्ट रो के फर्स्ट कॉलम के अलोंग करना है, तो जब पहला एलिमेंट लिया कॉलम का तो इस पूरी रो को छोड़ेंगे एंड इस कॉलम को छोड़ेंगे, तो बचा हुआ पोर्शन इज 2 3 1 एंड -3, then minus sign, second element of column is 1. So if we take this element, so leave this row and this column, so the remaining element is 3 -2 1 and -3, then plus sign, element is -2. So जब हम कॉलम का तीसरा एलिमेंट ले रहे हैं तो इसके अलोंग इस रो को छोड़ेंगे और इस कॉलम को छोड़ेंगे, तो बचा हुआ पोर्शन इज 3 -2 2 एंड 3 3 -2 2 एंड so let's see the 2. Now the 2 into -3 is -6 or -3. So -6 -3 -1, 3 into -3 is -9, minus of -2, then plus minus -2, then 3 into 3 9, -2 into 2 -4, so 9 minus of -4, so we get -18 plus 7 -26. So in the resultant we get the answer is -37. So now how to expand the order 4 matrix? Now similarly to the order 3, we can expand the matrix, we can expand the order 4 determinant. So determinant also we can represent by the sign of this. So let's take the example. It's A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44. Similarly, the sign is plus minus plus minus. Now अब हम इस रो का पहला एलिमेंट A11 लेते हैं, तो इसके अलोंग हम पहली रो और ये पहला कॉलम छोड़ा, तो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट इज दिस A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, sorry, A32, A33, A34, A42, A43, A44, then minus sign, A12. So for this, leave this row and this column. So A21, A31, A41, A23, A33, A43, A24, A34, A4 plus A13. For this, leave this column and first row also. So it's A21, A31, A41, A22, A32, A42. Now A24, A34, A44. Now again the sign is minus. A14. Along the A14, leave the first row and the last column. So the remaining element is A21, A31, A41, A22, A32, A42, A23, A33, A4. So now it is the order of, now this determinant order is 3 by 3. So we can expand by the similar to the 3 by. Now the next topic is singular matrix. Now the singular matrix is uh, if we find the determinant. Now if we find the determinant, now the determinant of the singular matrix is 0. A square matrix is a singular matrix if its determinant if its determinant is 0, otherwise it is non-singular. Now let's take the example. For what value of x, the matrix A 1 1 x minus 2 2 2 3 1 minus 3 is singular. Now the solution, the matrix A is singular if the determinant of A is equals to the 0. So 1 1 x minus 2 2 x 3 1 minus 3. Now if now it is now if is it equal to 0, then it is a singular matrix. So equate with the 0. Oh sorry, it is 2. So if we expand this matrix, then we get 1 2 1 2 minus 3, then minus sign, minus of 2, so 1 1 x and minus 3, then plus sign 3 1 2 x 2 is equals to 0. Now the cross multiplies a minus 6 and minus 2, so it's minus 8 plus 2. Now it's minus 3 minus x plus 3, 2 minus 2x equals to 0. So it is minus 8 minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 minus 6x equals to 0. So we get, after solving, x equals to minus 1. So now in the next lecture we will continue with the minors and the cofactors.